Hey, welcome to my channel. Check out my t-shirt. Yeah, look at that. I know, I have a t-shirt with my name on it. I used to think that used to look ridiculous when I saw people with their name on the hat, their YouTube name on the hat or their shirt. But I've joined the club, so I am equally as ridiculous. All right, so today's video is going to take a look at this here drone. It's called an H802 by, I think it's pronounced HELIFAR. And it's a pretty cool drone. You're going to see it. Hang on a sec. Let me just fix this camera here. Here we go. I'm going to zoom into my head. So the drone is right there. That's it behind me. You can see a massive view of it. But let me just show you it in real life. It's actually this size. Yeah, look at this. I pull it away. See how small it gets? Focus, camera, focus. All right. So it's a pretty tiny drone and it's got some bright lights. But wait till you see the price. The price for this is quite amazing. Sure, you can click on the link below and check out the price now without watching the video, but you'll be pretty amazed. For what this does, the price is pretty good. So here's my review of this drone. Check it out. All right, let's power this baby up. Power on, get a bright light. It's got a bright light in the front too, very blinding. And put the controller on, keep you in place. There we go. And we just move our little thing and we're connected. So one button takeoff. Here we go, push this button. And we're up, and we have altitude hold, and we can fly it around. So indoors, this drone is pretty sweet. You can see here, I'm flying it around. And it wants to go around the house. Okay, so we'll take it through the house. Just look at the little red at the back. It's very fast. I've got it on the first rate speed, so it's easy to fly indoors, as you can see here. Go through my messy house. All right, and there's one more button on here for landing, which is the same button that was takeoff, which is this button. It will flash and land. And there we go. Let's take it outdoors and give it a shot. And now we'll test out how this drone does outdoors. Start her up. Way back. I have it in low rates right now. So let's see, forward, backwards. It does have a return to home. If I hit this button down here, I think it's return home. There we go. So coming back, here it comes back. Yep. And there we go. Return to home on these little drones is basically, I would like to fly backwards, and that's what it does. Let's try it in the second rates. Okay, much faster. Oh, there's 3 rates. This should be good. Here we go. Let's go forward on the, let's go around the tree. Oh my God, the rates are too fast. So like all little drones, fun times, they have flippy mode. So let's do the flippy mode. Push this button and flip. There we go. Flip it backwards at me. It flies for about 6 minutes, has a range of 40 meters, so that's about from me to that house away over there. You wouldn't want it much farther than that because you can't see it. At night it's pretty cool because it's very much lit up. Right now you only have the light in the front, but indoors, as you saw, you can light it up a bit more. So with that said, let's bring it over here. I don't think there's anything else. There is headless mode on here. Look at the buttons. No, there's a kill switch right here, which is, if you hit that, it just does this. Here's the kill switch. I tend to hit them all the time. There you go. That's just in case it's going out of range and you're losing it. You just hit that and then take off again. Is this one? And there we go. It's got altitude hold. It just stays there. I'm not doing anything. There's a little bit of breeze, so it moves with the breeze. But here, I'll block the wind and it should stay still. There we go. It's a good looking drone, and I like the fact that it's got the little prop guards built in. So you really can't damage it. Yes, it does have brush motors, so you can do these weird little funnels, which is very strange on a little drone like this, but it seems to work. Look, it's just going and going and going and going. It stays perfectly still. Still flying on the same battery I was flying on indoors. Go put over on the table. Nice, over on the table, and hit the land button right here. And there we go. So based on the spelling of China, I'm going to guess this drone is going to be a collector's item. So you might want to order one quick before they change the spelling to, well, the way it should be. So all in all, really good drone. The price is dirt cheap. It flies well. You can smash this into almost anything with the prop guards already included, built on, and coming with 2 batteries. If you get this for a Christmas gift, a birthday gift, whatever, whoever gets this is really going to enjoy it. It's a lot of fun. And now a quick unboxing of the HELIFAR H802. Some features of the drone are headless mode, 6-axis gyro, altitude hold, and 360-degree flips and rolls. The back of the box has some really good information. It shows that the controller requires 3 AAA batteries, not included. It says that the battery itself for the drone is a 3.7 volt, 330 milliamp. So that's not too bad. It means it's a very small battery. It says here the flight time will be 5 to 6 minutes of flight time on that battery, and you could fly it at a distance of 30 to 40 meters. And it shows the drone comes with 2 batteries. Inside the box you get the instructions in multiple languages. You receive the drone and the controller. Here's a close-up of the drone itself. Very small drone. You can see the battery goes in the back. It has brushed motors, very tiny. The front, that does not look like a camera. That looks like a light. And this is kind of funny here. Watch when I look at the bottom. It has the FCCE made in, it should say China, but that says sort of like China. Somebody, how did they miss that? Very strange. Anyways, let's check out the battery. So this flips forward, pull that down, and there is your very tiny battery inside. A very tiny 330 milliamp JJRC battery. There's the controller itself, multiple buttons. And, oh, they did label the buttons right here, flips and rolls, and that would be your high-low speed controller, and that's where your batteries go. Included in the box is an extra battery, so now I have 2 batteries for more flight time. There's your battery charger, it's just a USB, battery plugs in the back, plug that in USB, and you're all set to go. 4 spare props, and your very own tiny little Phillips screwdriver. Here's the drone, batteries in the bottom, just close that slightly, and put the drone on the scale. What do we got? 34 grams. 35 grams. That's a really light drone. Anyways, check out the description below, the link, and there might even be a discount. I never know. I'll post everything below this video, and get yourself one for Christmas, or get somebody who needs a little tiny drone to fly around and drive you up the wall. Get them one of these. All right. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. We'll catch you in the next one.